Alright people, this week I'm going to show you our rabbit room. So it can travel in that or it can play in that with its balls. That's where the dog Molly stays. It has its hay up there. It has a little house here that it can climb in. It can go inside. It can go up there and hang out. It has a little tunnel here. The kids like to sit in that chair. Actually, the bunny likes to sit right there on that gray thing and look out the window. We have a little bit of storage here. We have the bunny's dish and its litter box. You can see the poop in the litter box. Ew, gross. And then in the back, from this side, you can see that it has a little tent in the back corner and it has a little house right there. Yep, so, and we have some stuff over here that we hang up in my messy refrigerator. Sorry about that part. But yep, I hope you guys love our little tour of Oreo. Say hi, Oreo.
What do you want, Mom?